Yeah, people, so ZJ Sparks, our mother out there create a buzz right now up on the internet. Everybody seem to be amazed how this lady, Chinese Jamaican, taught the patois so easy, and you know it look strange for some, but yeah, it does for sure say how Jamaica out of many one people. I don't know, people, just follow ZJ Sparks on our official Instagram at SparkyBabyOfficial. Yeah, for more of these type of videos.
See?
Yeah.
Cardi B, the American rapper girl. She will link up, she follow Shenseea. And she will link, but she will link up, make sense, she will make it big and make a nice music, Jamaican, and maybe the rapper rhythm, you know. So she will do good, and she will carry Jamaica big on the map like Bob Marley. And like Spice have carry big too.
Yeah.
Them two there.
What is? You see, as dear like she did it for the entertainment scene.
I love the Jamaican music. I mean, I don't care what they want, so we are the best. Jamaican music is like carry through the world. Everybody listen. Even you have people up in Alaska, even the pole up there, I listen to Jamaican music and I rap. Because so the white people in my rap and a Turk, you know, see them I try Turk too. Turking. Or the tunes on Turkey.
You see, as dear like she did it for the entertainment scene.
I love the Jamaican music. I mean, I don't care what they want, so we are the best. Jamaican music is like carry through the world. Everybody listen. Even you have people up in Alaska, even the
Right, teach them for the up the A. You know, easy, you know. You see? What is? You know, easy, you know. Watch how she get her update them. You see? A Russian that.
What they call him Rush producer Russian, but I must say RVCian. That's what they call it. Producer RVCian.
That's it.
Me say English so fucked up if you don't understand it. Other language I can't call and pronounce and anything. Ching pong, ping pong, here.
Bye.
I love Patios or something like that. How another one. And they have another one. I don't remember what that out where him do. And him, but me know Shabba Rank said that. Trailer load a girl and ting-a-ling-a-ling and what a pum pum son of
You don't have no sense.
I say I read about Popcorn is a Jamaican DJ. Alan and friend Jakes and Ovo.
What you say?
I said I saw this girl here, the Mackerel, but I didn't have the girl there, Mackerel down there, is a new DJ.
Oh, what a blood clot. Oh, mommy knows so much, right? You need a own show. A girl.
She used to live with her mom, and her mom treated her about a runner. She run her when she was 15 years old.
No, just a while ago?
She Shenseea, one Jamaican DJ.
Are you see her with who?
She and Tiger and make one song named Blessed.
It's about Spice. See your biggest fan here? Mr. From you, the pal of Hip Hop Atlanta, this is my mother. The way you say?
Mr. Spice I was watching Love Hip Hop and the face girl when they a cabar whatever she name. Boy, she can look for her two picnic there. And then sit there and they come tap Mac about her accent. She knows everybody love Jamaican accent. And then something there.
About coffee too?
Yeah, made her read about coffee. She said, I think she's got hard and them say, and she must say link up with a cocoa tea.
You know something need to give my mother an entertainment program. Oh, she know about all of them something out. Eh? What? She all tell me about safari about tequila. What's here?